Hello everyone, and welcome to the beginning of your pre-trip inspection training. So, what do we have to get you ready for? We have to get you ready to pass the CDL road test. And the first portion of the CDL road test is you have to show the examiner that you are competent enough to inspect the vehicle. Now, what does pre-trip actually means? Pre-trip means before your trip. So when you become a professional truck driver after graduating from our school, you're actually going to be doing this every single day before you actually start your day. And that's how you catch things when they're small. Small little problems are much easier, much cheaper to fix than if you don't do this pre-trip inspection daily and these problems start getting bigger and bigger and more expensive. So the goal is, yes, we have to get you ready to pass the road test, but second, we got to get you some real life skills so when you actually start driving and you're on your road to freedom, you can actually keep as much money in your own pocket as possible so you're not spending a bunch of money on repairs. That being said, what are you going to need for this training? Today we're going to be creating our script and we're going to make sure that you know exactly what to check on the pre-trip inspection, and we're going to tell you exactly what to say for the pre-trip inspection, right? So you're going to need one of these things. If you don't have one of these, this is the Driving Academy pre-trip script. It came directly, something we created to make it as simple as possible for you to memorize. If you don't have one of these yet, make sure you contact our team members so we can get you a hold of one of these. And then what the goal for today is to make it all colorful. So as you can see here, we're going to have a whole bunch of colors. So before we get started, you're going to want to have at least 5 color highlighters. We're going to start off with green. You're going to need some blue. You're going to need some orange. You're going to need some pink. And you're going to need some yellow. Now, let's talk about what the colors are for. The colors are to clump things together. Now, as an adult, I did a whole lot of research on how adults learn, and we learn better when we start clumping things together. So that means we're going to be focusing on just the green section at a time when we're training, just the blue section, the pink, yellow, and so on and so forth. Now, before we actually get started, there's 2 types of students watching this. Student number 1, you're looking to get a Class A license, which means you're going to need all 5 colors. If you're going to try to get a Class B license, then you can get rid of 2 of these colors and you're only going to need 3, which is going to be the green, the yellow, and the blue itself. So I hope that kind of gives you everything that you need. On these next videos that are going to follow along, we're going to go deep in detail on exactly what to highlight in what sections and give you some more clarity on each one of those sections that we talked about there. So let's not give up. We just started. Let's get rocking and rolling, because this pre-trip inspection is probably the hardest part to the whole test. So make sure you take this as super and as serious as possible so you're ready to rock and roll. Thanks, and I'll see you on the next video.